What's up, folks? Traveling B here with my buddies Michael Klein and Gretel Klein. Where we at? Where we at today?
Oh, you're in the famous Bear Lake, Idaho side.
Welcome,
everybody.
How long you been trying to get me down here, man?
It's been on, I'm going to say 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah, definitely, 15 years.
And I've been procrastinating. And 2 weeks.
Waiting.
And 2 weeks ago, I called him and said, what did I say 2 weeks ago?
So I'm ready for Bear Lake.
I'm ready for Bear Lake.
Let's go.
And you know what? We just got here, and it's not disappointing at all. So we're going to go and hit a few spots, hopefully get some good video, share it with you guys, and let me know what you think.
Welcome. Enjoy. Good. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how you doing?
Is it worth the hike?
Perfect.
It's nice.
There's 2 lakes before you get to the big lake, so don't
Oh,
stop.
okay.
Yeah, they're going and it's gorgeous.
What do we have, like a 10-minute walk? Okay.
Yeah. This right here is your hardest walk part.
Yeah, this is the hardest
Awesome.
part.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
cool.
Thank you.
Hey, you know what? You can run it. I can do it.
He's from Texas. He's never been in this elevation.
I was gonna say, watch the altitude.
Yeah.
Welcome to, we're in Idaho.
We're in Idaho, yeah.
A lot of water.
Yes. Which we forgot to bring. So that's all right. We'll make it.
You know what? You're fine.
Drink out of the lake.
There you go.
That's what I said. They said
You know what? Don't listen to her. You want to spend the rest of your trip on a toilet.
That's what I told.
We're gonna. Well, I'm getting mixed feedback whether I should drink the water.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello.
Well, when you see the water, you know who you to trust.
Have a great day.
What's up, guys? Just made it into Jackson Hole and just checked into the room. I'm starving. I'm looking for probably an elk or a moose or bison burger tonight, so I'm gonna have to get on the computer and see what I can find. Anyway, I drove up from Mount Pelier, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, in the southeastern corner of the state of Idaho. I had a really good chance to hang out with my friend Mike and his wife, Gretel, who I haven't seen in quite some time. And they were gracious enough to take me to Bear Lake and to Bloomington Lake. And I must tell you that those places are incredible. I was able to capture some of that on my drone and also on some of my other cameras. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. I'm always welcoming any type of feedback, critical or not. So take care, and hopefully we'll get something here with the Tetons and Jenny Lake. We'll see what my plan is. I don't have that much time here in Jackson Hole. I'm actually leaving to head back to Twin tomorrow. So appreciate you guys watching my video, and take care. Where you guys from?
Okay.
Colorado.
So I'm from Fort Collins, Colorado.
Fort Collins, yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, I just like to play around a little bit. That's
Do you
all
live
it
here
is.
now?
Yeah, no. I just kind of like to move around a little
Okay.
bit.
We're passing through.
You're
Yeah,
passing
blasting
through?
through.
Where you guys headed?
What was that question?
We're going to Bozeman.
Going to Bozeman.
We're going to
all right.
Bozeman. Oh yeah, that's the next stop right there.
We got fish to
So
catch.
please, Come catch us there.
We got
Come have some fun.
I love it.
Hey.
Appreciate it.